Alright guys, today we got the C337 New Holland Super Boom skid steer cutter. With a Terminator HV bush hog or mulcher. Boy, y'all should have seen how it looked before. This thing will eat. I've been getting everything under 4 inches or right around 4 inches and under. You can see I knocked some trees out. De-rooted that. It mulches up pretty good. It's on the operator. There's a few things left over to do here at this job. I wanted to show y'all what it could do. That cutter don't play. Clear right through all this. Took me about 2 hours. I would definitely recommend. It's a great machine. We've had it about 6 months now. Here soon I'll get a GoPro and I'll let y'all watch me operate. It's hard to hold the phone when you gotta steer it with 2 hands. Show you what I mean. Got the analog sticks. Pretty comfortable seat. It tells you if you want to lock it or park it, all that. I'm a navigate, AC and heat controls. I got it on high pressure because I'm running a cutter. Got the radio, don't forget about that.